Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. So in these challenges, you have this mystery purple box. There's a function inside here, something that changes the numbers. You put them in the top, they come out transformed at the bottom. And your job is to figure out what is that function? What is actually being changed? How are those numbers being changed in here? So you can put in as many numbers as you like and see what comes out. We'll keep track of it in a chart. It'll also graph those points because maybe sometimes the graph will help you figure out what kind of a function is in there. And if you'd like to accept this challenge, you can find a link in the description and you can get this to try out yourself. So go ahead and pause the video, give it a try, see what you come up with, and then come on back and see what my solution is. All right, well, as with most of these functions, I have zero information to start, so I think I'm going to begin with putting in a 0 and see what's going on here. All right, if I put in a 0, I get out a 1, and there it is on the graph. So maybe I'm adding 1. Maybe this is just the input x plus 1. That could be. Let's put in a 1. If that's correct, then this will be a 2. Okay, so that's not a 2. Looks like it's a 3, so it can't be just x plus 1. We've got 2 points, and 2 points always, look like a line. I could be a line with the slope of 2. Look, it's going up 2 and over 1, so that would be 2x, and then a y-intercept of positive 1. So it could be 2x plus 1. So multiply by 2, then add 1. And I guess that makes sense. If I multiplied 0 by 2, I'd get 0, and if I add 1, I'd get 1. Let's try negative 1. See if that makes sense with that guess. So it does still look like a line. So I'm going to just jot this down. Because right now I'm thinking the function could be 2x plus 1. So if we put in negative 1 for x, 2 times negative 1 would be negative 2 plus 1. That would be a negative 1. So that does seem to fit. So we maybe have got a solution here. It looks pretty promising. It's probably a good idea to try some of the points further out on the graph to see what the behavior is like there. And if I'm multiplying by 2, I don't want to go beyond 2. I'm just going to put in a negative 4 here. Whoops, a negative 4 here. So negative 4. That's giving me a negative 7. Does that fit? So negative 4 times 2 would be negative 8 plus 1 would be negative 7. Yeah, what would I get if I put in a 4? 2 times 4 would be 8 plus 1. I should get a 9. So if I put in a 4 here, if I get a 9, I think I'm going to decide we're right here. How about 2x plus 1? So 4 in, and I get a 9 out. Yeah, so we've definitely got a line. So I'm pretty sure this is 2x plus 1. So let's go ahead and reveal. Yeah, we've got 2x plus 1, and we can graph it here, and there is our line with a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 1. Well, how did that go for you? Did you get 2x plus 1? Did you put in as many points as I did, or did you figure this out more quickly? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.